If you're a Harry Potter fan, if you love the Harry Potter world, Codenames might be a really good game for you. This is all about secret codes and really cool cards. And of course, these are here. You can see the secret codes and the actual really beautifully designed cards. The game is a tad complicated once you start understanding what you're trying to do, but it is a co-op game. So you're giving hints to the opposite player when you're playing one versus one, of course. You're giving hints and you are getting hints to acquire all of the members of the Order of the Phoenix. And that's the goal of the game, to acquire all of the members of the Order of the Phoenix, and then the first person that does that wins. So this is the actual game itself. It's easy to set up on the table. You don't need a lot of room. But man, it's a lot of fun, and it's just a different kind of vibe in kind of the card games because of that co-op hint versus hint type of thing. So the Harry Potter Codenames game, highly recommended if you're into games. If you want to have a little bit something a little bit different, it's a lot of fun for kids and adults.